Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some breakfast egg rolls. So let's get started. So I'm gonna make some egg rolls. Over here I have some breakfast sausage. I have cilantro. Once we cook up the sausage and eggs, we're gonna mix this in. I have my wonton wrappers. Save them in a Ziploc bag because you know that big package, you always got some left. I have my eggs over here. And I have the cheese. Now I'm using cheddar and mozzarella. However, you can use whatever cheese blend or whatever you prefer. I also have some traditional salsa. Everything here I got from the Kroger supermarket. Now the only thing going in here is pepper for the eggs. I'm not using salt. The cheese has salt. The sausage has salt. Again, you season however you prefer and what you like. I'm also using that cilantro in there, so it's pretty much plenty flavor. It doesn't need much. This looks like too much black pepper, but that's fine. It's all gonna work out. But anyway, so that's all I'm using. Like I said, you season this up however you want to. Alright, you're just gonna break up your sausage in a skillet. And all you're doing is browning your sausage. That's all you're doing. Brown your sausage until it's completely cooked through. This should take you about 7 to 8 minutes. It doesn't take long, but my stove is pretty high, so you probably need 10 minutes if you're doing it on a lower heat. Just break it up, break it up, break it up. Alright, I have a little bit of coconut oil down in here. I'm going to scramble my eggs. Now with the eggs, please do not cook them to death. They're going to cook again in the egg roll. So I'll come back to show you guys at which point I'm going to pull this off. Alright guys, so at this point is when I'm turning my stove off. They're still moving, but they're done because it's going to sit in this hot pot. Like I said, you don't want to overcook the egg. You're going to leave it in your hot pot. Just sit it in there and leave it. By the time it cools off, it's going to be completely cooked and more together. Alright, so I have my sausage and my egg down in this bowl. I'm going to allow it to cool. I'm also going to add my cilantro down in here. That's also going to help it to cool down. Cover it, let it cool, and then we're going to wrap up the egg rolls and fry them. I'm going to fry them, shallow fry them in coconut oil. Alright guys, so to the cooled mixture, you're going to add a little bit, just a little dash of, it's probably a couple tablespoons that I used, of the salsa, mild. You can use hot. And I'm going to add some mozzarella. And I'm also going to add my cheddar. It looks like a whole lot, but we have a lot of egg and a lot of sausage down here. Oh, I didn't even mention I'm having a breakfast get together for my bridal party at my house, so I decided to just make the easiest thing I could think of. I didn't feel like flipping pancakes. I'm just gonna fry up these egg rolls with some fruit and orange juice, and that's it. Alright, so we're gonna roll these up and fry them up. Alright guys, so everyone should know how to roll egg rolls, but let me do one. Let me not assume before y'all start dragging me. Y'all know y'all like checking me in these comments. So you want to damp the edges of your egg roll. Pretty much the directions come with your egg roll wrappers anyway, but you want to not pile it, but put a couple tablespoons of your filling down in there. And what I do is I do a roll. Oh no, I come up the sides. My bad, y'all. Listen, my bad. I come up the sides and then I roll. And you want to roll it tight. Keep it tight. Once you get to the end, you want to wet this side so that it could completely stick. And that's your egg roll right there. Alright, let me do it again since I messed up the first time. You want to pull them up like that. And then I roll. And once I get almost to the end, I get some more water and damp it and keep rolling it. And that's your roll. Alright, y'all, so in my skillet, I'm going to add my coconut oil. Frying is not okay, period. Like multiple times a week, but at least you take some of the guilt off by using coconut oil, in my opinion. Now watch the comments going crazy. People starting. Look at y'all. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to melt down and I'm going to start frying my egg rolls. Alright, and there they go. We're going to cook these up about 2 minutes per side, and then I'll show you guys what they look like. Alright, you guys, so these are what my egg rolls look like. They're so perfectly golden brown. I'm going to try to attempt to break one open. They're really hot, but let me... Ooh, child. Ooh, yes. I hope y'all can see that. Lord, please tell me they can see that. This look at that. They came out so good. I hope you guys give these a try. They're simple and easy and delicious. And I'll catch you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.